Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Apply a 0.5 cm thick layer of gel evenly to the face. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads, then place the black goggles on. The operator must also wear goggles. 808 755 1064 nanometers diode laser application. Tap the face on the screen representation, set the treatment area to M and skin tone to 2, or adjust based on the recipient's conditions, then select SHR stack. Settings. Fluence, 85 joules per square centimeter. Stack 1, 74. Cooling level, 4. Apply a stamping technique horizontally across the entire face, ensuring the treatment head is pressed against the skin. Press the handle button for each treatment spot. Remove the goggles and cotton pads. Scrape off the remaining gel. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream. It is recommended to schedule 1 session per month, with a complete regimen consisting of 4 to 6 sessions. Precautions. Avoid hot water showers and sun exposure to the treatment area for 1 week. Prioritize sun protection and hydration by using a moisturizing mask daily during this period. Refrain from laser therapy, dermabrasion, and acid peeling for 1 week.